Okay, lean on my shoulder. Ready? Like that? How? Okay, but don't I look cool in my sunglasses?
No.
Yes, I do. Who's gonna pick up your sandals? I am? Okay. Well, at least you tell me to. Otherwise, I don't know that I'm not supposed to pick up your sandals, huh? Okay, what you doing? What you doing?
Walking.
Walking, okay, I go, you walk, I film you and me. Look at Bella walking. Walking. I take her to the beach for the first time in San Diego, California. This is Mission Beach. Daddy and daughter are together.
Okay, Dad. Put the sand down.
Why? Down?
Because I've been thinking.
What's wrong? Is it too sandy?
Yeah.
But it feels good, Bella. I like it. See?
No, not for me.
Because it feels dirty?
Yeah.
Sandy? Oh, hey, let me see. Here, look, I kicked the sand, no problem, see?
I did. We had to actually walk without sandals.
Oh, walk here. Oh, lạc đó mày. Oh my gosh, this is cold.
This is why I don't like it.
Oh, it's too cold.
Sandy.
Too sandy and too cold?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, airplane, what is it trying to do? Look at the helicopter, what is it trying to do? What are they doing? You think that's the news? I think they're filming us. What do you think? Are they filming us?
Then I don't care. Why don't you watch
Huh?
news?
Are we going inside?
Yeah. What's that?
Hey, that's a perfectly healthy animal. Oh, it's only half. It's dead. Pick it up and go home for souvenir, Bella.
No thanks.
Look, it's so beautiful.
Not me.
Here, Bella, choose this one, right?
No,
me
not
see.
really.
Look, so beautiful.
That's on the inside, not another one.
Another one? Should I pick it up?
I think you should. You're taking things to souvenir. I'm not. I'm
Okay,
not
two.
picking things up.
You're not picking anything up?
No, not one bit.
This is it? This is the beach? This is it? No more? No more beach time, hả? Cái đó là cái gì hả?
I think we found another one. No, then we take. Look.
Huh? Pick it up and give it to me.
No thanks.